start over. We're gonna start over, yeah. Ano mo? Kita ka naman tao. Alright. Hello, mic test. Okay, dungo gana siya nga kailangan ka-connect. So anyway, so about independent woman. So
Welcome back to our show, Chat Corner with Miss
G and
and Jill. So now we are talking about independent women. I know some girls out there also can relate of being independent woman. So Chris is independent since she was young. So that's
young.
amazing. Can you tell us about it again?
again. So once again, I was working since I was 15. Mga unsa ta? We'll do that again. Ato sining i-check og
Okay.